Meaning of humourlessly.
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 Humourlessly. Humourlessly means to do or say something without any sense of humor or amusement, in a serious or stern manner. For example, if someone makes a joke and you respond in a completely serious way without laughing or smiling, you could be said to have responded humourlessly. This lack of humor can often come across as dry, uninteresting, or even offensive depending on the situation. To avoid being perceived as humorless, it's important to show a sense of humor and not take everything too seriously.